OECS Commission is currently implementing projects with various partners to enhance water security throughout the region that promote healthy ecosystems, which lead to improved water quality and water availability. IWECO project is one such project. One of the primary activities under this project is the development and implementation of a regional action framework for integrated water resources management for the CARICOM region. The OECS Commission has also partnered with the Caribbean Community Climate Change Centre to implement on-the-ground water investment initiatives in St. Lucia. They're geared at increasing water availability and water quality through enhanced storage, catchment rehabilitation, optimized water abstraction, and decentralized solar-powered water treatment. Additionally, the integrated landscape approaches and investments in sustainable management in the OECS project, also known as the ILM project, and the biodiversity support for ACP Coastal Environments project, also known as the Biospace project, are both funded by the European Union to enhance water quality through the support of healthy and resilient biodiversity and ecosystems.